Hey guys, today I'm making a really fun kind of like brunch buffet dish, a 2-cup bag. This is gourmet 3-cheese blend of different kinds of cheddar. If you can't find that, you just use your favorite kinds of yellow cheese. Mix that in as well. I think it's easier to work with when these potatoes are still just a little frozen. 5 tablespoons of melted butter, some chives. We use the Mrs. Dash, little bit of this buttery steakhouse seasoning. Mix everything together. Obviously, get a little bit of vegetable spray, spray each one. A little bit of hash brown in each one. I wasn't quite done, as you probably guessed, putting it into these jumbo muffin tins. We'll divot, make sure there's a little bit of potato on the bottom. Some grade A eggs. Taking all of this and we're popping it into a 350-degree oven. Look at these hash brown cups. Properly. Oh yeah, look at that. It's all spinning around. Like that. Birds or eggs in a nest. Cut right in the middle of this. Look. So good.